My time has come.
I said,
My time has come. My time has come. I've got to pay the debt I owe. You know my time has come.
I said,
My time has come. My time has come. I've got to pay the debt I owe. You know Christ was seated at the last Passover. Him and his boys were talking things over. He said, little children, for the cock crowed thrice, one of you boys will deny your Christ. Then Joan cried out,
Good Lord, is it I?
Then Mark cried out,
Good Lord, is it I?
Then Luke cried out,
good Lord, is it
Prince
I?
cried out,
Good Lord, is it
Now,
I?
well, boys, you just wait and see the one that dippeth in the dish with me, because my time has come.
I said,
My time has come. My time has come. I've got to pay the debt I owe. You know Judas was the wicked in his head, told everything that my God said, saw God coming across the woods, ran and told the Jews that my God was no good. They hewed out a cross about 40 feet long, told my God he had to move along. They moved him on down to the steep of the hill. Only thing then you could hear him squeal. He called on Peter, James, and John. You can't do me no good, don't you do me no harm, because my time has come.
I said,
My time has come. My time has come. I've got to pay the debt I owe. You know they laid a yoke on Calvary's brow. They took 2 spears and dug it in his side. They bound his hand and then they bound his feet. Only thing then you could hear him speak. He said, my time has come.
I said,
My time has come. My time has come. I've got to pay the debt I owe.